Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix game crashed exit code 0 and 1 on Minecraft on Windows PC. Method 1. Make sure to stay up to date and restart PC. Out-of-date drivers and operating systems can cause a variety of issues and are one of the first things to check when a game is having problems. The following instructions will help you check and update your drivers. To do update graphic driver, go to Device Manager. Look for display adapters and select the arrow to the left of it to display all the graphics controllers in your computer. Right-click the name of your graphics card or display adapter, then select Update Driver. Windows will ask if you want it to find a newer driver. Select Search automatically for driver software to search for a newer driver for your card. If Windows finds an update, it will install it automatically. Alternatively, you can also use AMD Radeon software or NVIDIA GeForce Experience to update the graphic driver if you are using the respective graphics card. Next, if you're on the Java edition, check if you're using the latest Java. Both Mojang and the community recommend keeping your Java up to date. Doing so can enhance your gaming experience. And most importantly, it would help avoid most of the strange issues. If you're not sure where to start, follow this tutorial to update your Java. After the Java update step, update your system by go to Settings. Select System. Click on Windows Update. Click Check for updates. If there is any update available, update it. Finally, restart your computer before starting the game again. Method 2. Close any conflicting programs. The Minecraft community has come up with a list of all the programs that are incompatible with Minecraft. So before jumping straight to the next methods, consider closing any conflicting program by checking your currently installed programs against a curated list of software that is known to conflict with Minecraft. Method 3. Remove mods. Mods can be a nice way to sprinkle some fun in your game, but sometimes, they can cause trouble to you, and this is one such case. So, to fix exit code 0 and 1, you should remove mods, one by one, and see if the issue persists. Method 4. Perform a clean boot. A clean boot starts Windows with a minimal set of drivers and startup programs, so that you can determine whether a background program is interfering with your game or program. This is similar to starting Windows in safe mode, but provides you more control over which services and programs run at startup to help you isolate the cause of a problem. For more details and how to do, please visit the Microsoft Help page. Method 5. Uninstall and reinstall Minecraft. Since it can be tricky to identify the culprit if the above methods don't work for you, the best thing you can do at this point is to ensure that you back up your saves before reinstalling Minecraft.